Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to submit bird info cards to NPC Bailey J and get random rewards in Heartopia. First, make sure you have already activated the birdwatching hobby, and if you haven't unlocked it yet, you won't be able to collect or submit info cards. And once your hobby is active, you can collect up to 5 birds info cards per day. And then after you have collected them, just head over to Billy J in Central Square like this. Just meet her, and then next just tap on her character, and then just tap on submit info card in here, and then just choose the info card that you want to submit. Like this. You can submit 5 cards per day. And then next just tap on submit, and then like this you will get some random rewards like this. And okay, maybe that's all for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.